How to use Airsled Stack Dryer Shelf Kit with an Airsled Appliance Dolly. Position the Airsled Appliance Dolly's crossbar a ½ inch below the washing machine's top. Set the support tabs at the same height as the crossbar. Lay the shelf on the supports so that both clevis pins pass through the security holes. Verify the dolly's rotating legs do not swing open. Install the stopper and safety clamps and verify the shelf is secure. Place the air beams directly under the dryer. You can now use your Airsled system to safely glide the dryer onto the shelf to easily roll it away with the Airsled Appliance Dolly. Airsled products make this move simple, safe, and quick. Simply reverse the process to return the dryer back into position. Always monitor surroundings for safety when using Airsled products. Learn more at airsled.com.